Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about force and effects of force. Force. We often push or pull things around to move them. We push the button of a switch to on off the light or other electrical devices. We pull the drawer to open it, and to close the drawer we push it. A push or pull is also applied when we lift a bag, kick a football, pedal a cycle and compress a balloon. This push or pull that affects on an object in some way is called force. Force is a measurable quantity. The SI unit of magnitude of force is Newton, denoted by N. Force also has a direction. Almost every activity in our daily life involves force. While picking a glass of water or playing a guitar, we apply some force in the form of push or pull. Surprisingly, we can't see the force or touch it. We can only observe by its effects. Effects of force. You all must have seen a cricket match. Let us refresh those visual memories. A bowler moves a stationary ball by applying force with his hand. A batsman applies the force with his hand on the bat to hit the ball. It changes the direction of a moving ball. A fielder uses his body parts to slow down or stop a moving ball. After a long period of play and hard hitting done by batsman, the shape of the ball deforms from its initial spherical shape. Thus, a force can affect the body on which it acts in various ways. Force can make a stationary object move. What happens when a stationary football is kicked by a player? The force applied by the kick of the player causes the football to roll or fly away. Similarly, the force applied by our feet on the pedals of the cycle causes the bicycle to move. However, a force may not always cause an object to move. For example, how hard we push the wall with our hands, it does not move from its place. Force can change the speed of a moving object. What happens when a moving trolley is pushed harder in the direction of its motion? The speed of the trolley increases. What could happen if a moving trolley is pushed in the opposite direction? In this case, the cart will slow down. Thus, when a force acts on a moving object in the same direction of motion, the speed of the moving object increases. On the other hand, when a force acts in the opposite direction, the speed of the moving object decreases. Force can stop a moving object. What happens when a player shot the football at the goal and it is collected by the goalkeeper? The force applied by the hands of the goalkeeper brings the moving football at rest. Thus, a force can bring a moving object to rest. Force can change the direction of a moving object. What happens when a batsman hits the ball coming towards him? The force applied by the bat of the batsman causes the ball to change its direction. As a result, the ball begins to move in a different direction. Thus, a force can change the direction of a moving body. Force can change the shape of an object. Children push and pull the clay to change its shape and size and make toys from it. Squeezing a tube of toothpaste, stretching a rubber band, and crushing a cold drink can are few examples in which a force causes a change in shape and size of objects.